Today, let us look into some of the interesting facts relating to the Constitution of India. Fact number 1. The Constitution of India was not typed or printed originally. It was handwritten. It was written in Hindi and English by Prem Bihari Narain Rajada. Narain was an eminent calligraphist. On the recommendation of Jawaharlal Nehru, he wrote the Constitution of India in italic style. Fact number 2. Each page of the Constitution of India was decorated by artists from Shantiniketan, including Nandalal Bose and Ram Manohar Sinha. Fact number 3. Still, the original copy of Constitution of India is at the Parliament Museum in New Delhi. For the purpose of making a constitution for India, Constituent Assembly was formed. It met for the first time on 9th December 1946 under the temporary chairmanship of Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Later, in 12th December, Dr. Rajendra Prasad got elected as the permanent president of Constituent Assembly. Fact number 3. The Constituent Assembly made 2000 amendments before the arrival of final draft of the Constitution. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the final draft of the Constitution. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26th November 1949. This 26th November every year is celebrated as the Constitution Day. Fact 5. On 24th January 1950, the 284 members of the Constituent Assembly signed the Indian Constitution at the Constitution Hall, now known as the Central Hall of Parliament in New Delhi. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. We all know this was celebrated as the Republic Day. Our Constitution is called a bag of borrowings. It is based on a series of statutes enacted by the Parliament of Britain. For example, the Government of India Act 1935. It borrowed the concept of 5-year plans from USSR, the laws governing Supreme Court from Japan, the concept of preamble from US, the emergency powers and the concept of suspension of fundamental rights during emergency from Weimar Constitution of Germany. Ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity are taken from the French Constitution. The fundamental rights, fundamental duties and DPSP are taken from US, Russia and Ireland respectively. Procedure of amendment of the Constitution and election of Rajya Sabha members from South Africa. The concept of federation with strong center and residuary powers of the center, and appointment of governors from Canada. The judicial review, impeachment of president and removal of judges from USA, rule of law and parliamentary form of government from UK. The preamble of the Constitution was amended only once in 1976, and by 42nd Constitutional Amendment, the words socialist, secular and integrity were added. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on polity.